Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make two different styles of breakfast tortillas or dessert tortillas. So let's get started. Fold the tortilla. Peanut butter. Apple. Banana. And some cheese. Now roll it up. Like that. Peanut butter. Kiwi. And I have some frozen strawberries, bananas, and kiwi. So I'll put the strawberries. And cheese. And roll it up. Now you can eat them just like this, or you can heat them on the stove. Medium-high heat, brush with olive oil, and heat for about 2 minutes. And there you have some very easy dessert or breakfast tortillas. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.